morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My report for today is all about Universal Design for Learning or UDL. So, first of all, what is UDL? UDL or Universal Design for Learning is a teaching approach that works to accommodate the needs and abilities of all learners and eliminates unnecessary hurdles in the learning process. UDL focuses on providing multiple means of representation, action and expression, and engagement. So in a simple words, UDL is an approach to teaching and learning that gives all students equal opportunity to success. The goal of UDL is to use a variety of teaching methods to remove any barriers to learning. It's about building in flexibility that can be adjusted for every person's strength and needs. That's why UDL benefits all students. There are three basic principles of UDL. The first one is the engagement, the why of learning. So engagement is it also helps students to see the reasons why they should learn, what they're learning, and makes it relevant to their life. So engagement also called is the why of learning because it will ask the question why they should learn. So the goal of engagement is to give students purpose and motivation to learn. That is engagement. The second principle is the presentation, the what of learning. Allowing students to choose the method by which they take in information allows for all types of students to thrive as they interact with subject material. So representation is the different methods used for teaching. It also called the what of learning because it is the question to what methods are used for teaching. So representation is also allowing students to choose the methods by which they take in information allows for all types of students to thrive as they interact with subject material. The goal of representation is to allow students to be more resourceful and knowledgeable. And the third principle is action and expression, the how of learning. It is also called the how of learning because it also how they will express their learning, how the students express their learning. So action and expression is this principle of universal design for learning takes into account the differences of students' manner of expression, flexibility is provided in the way that students show their knowledge of the subjects. Action and expression also, once students have taken in the information, it's time for them to express and show they've learned. Teachers help students to set goals for learning and guide students through monitoring their own progress. The goal of action and expression is to help students to become more strategic and goal-directed. And lastly, in essence, UDL aims to increase accessibility, promote flexibility, enhance engagement, foster expert learning. And that would be all. Thank you.